Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I am delighted to show you around this used Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 SE. Finished in grey and powered by a 1.2-litre petrol engine producing 75 PS paired with smooth and lightweight manual transmission, this vehicle makes for an efficient and easy to live with hatchback. At the front, this Corsa features sharp LED headlights with daytime running lights, a clean upper and lower bumper design, and this model sits on 16-inch alloy wheels, offering smooth and stable ride while adding a smart visual touch. At the back, you will find LED taillights, a practical heated glaze tailgate with wash wipe functionality, and integrated tailgate spoiler which subtly enhances the sporty character. Boot provides a useful amount of space for everyday items with illumination for convenience and split folding 60/40 rear seats to increase functionality. Passengers in the rear benefit from comfortable seating with ISOFIX mounting points, height adjustable headrest, and clean modern cabin design. The split folding function lets you tailor the space to suit larger items. Up front, the Corsa offers comfort front seats with height and reach adjustment for the perfect driving position, and the cabin features a blend of practical materials, illuminated controls, and 7-inch central color touchscreen. The flat-bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel includes chrome detailing and buttons for audio and cruise control, and ahead of the driver is the analog instrument cluster with rev counter, speedometer, trip computer, fuel gauge, and warning lights. Manual air conditioning ensures the cabin stays comfortable throughout the colder months, and the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system is equipped with the DAB radio as well as Bluetooth hands-free smartphone interface and USB integration. You also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity and access to trip information, lighting, locking, and other convenience features within the vehicle settings. This has been a presentation of the Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 SE. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.